Hello and welcome to 5-Minute Math. Today we are looking at the 5th grade concept of representing equations for multi-step problems. This is standard 5.4b in the great state of Texas, and we are using item number 26 off the 2017 released STAAR test. If you have not done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work the problem out on your own, unpause it, and then we will look at our answers together. So we have Mr. Gonzalez. He's putting up a fence around the perimeter of a playground. So the perimeter of the playground is 144 feet. So let's just draw a strip diagram here. Also draw a picture. That might help us a little bit. I'm going to kind of do both at the same time. So let's say we've got our playground right here. Let's say it's a rectangular playground. We're going to say our P equals 144. So the perimeter, remember, is all the way around. There's those four sides of that fence. Each section of the fence is 4 feet long and costs $12. So each section is 4 feet, and then each of those sections is also $12. So if I figure out how many sections there are, I can just multiply that by 12 and then figure out how many sections he needs. So what we have here is we're looking for the cost of the sections, but we need to know how many sections he has, and then multiply that by 12. So let's say I'm just cutting this up into, I don't know how many 4-foot sections I have. 4 feet sections. Well, if you take a look at our strip diagram up here, what this first does show us is division, right? So this division right here lets us know that we're going to take 144, we're going to divide that by 4. We don't know how many sections there are. So let's see what we've got here. 4 into 144. So 4 goes into 14 almost 4 times. Not quite. 3 times, it's going to be 12. 24. And there we go. So we've got 36 sections. Alright, so 36 sections. That's good to know. Let's put that right here. Well, and then each of those sections cost $12. So let's just do our 36 times 12 and see what we get here. So we've got 2 times 6 is 12, 2 times 3 is 6, add that 1 is 7, and then 1 times 6 is 6, 1 times 3 is 3. So it looks like our answer is $432. That's kind of an expensive fence. But our answer is not necessarily looking for $432. Our answer is, which equation shows the steps that we did? Well, what did we do first? Well, first, we divided. And so we divided 144 by 4. And I see that here. And I don't really see it anywhere else. Look at what F has got some division, but look at this order of operations. We're going to need to take care of our parentheses first. So 12 divided by 4 would be 3. So really what F is saying is you need to take 144 and then divide it by 3, and then that's it. Well, that's not going to work because that is not even going to get us the correct number of sections, and that doesn't help us figure out how much it costs. G would just be crazy. I mean, take a look at, you're going to multiply the 12 times 4, which is going to get you 48. So you do the parentheses first, and then you multiply 48 times 144. I don't even want to know how big that would be. That would be huge. H is division, but take a look at what we've got here. We have 144 divided by, but then we're going to multiply the 12 times 4. That's going to get 48. So we're going to get 144. That's not even going to be 3 each, or that will be exactly 3 each, and that doesn't help us. Really, it's this J, 144 divided by 4, multiplied by 12.